Mmm. I smack. So if y'all don't like it, turn the channel. Mmm. It's a mukbang. Mmm. Mmm. Look at that. Mmm. 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 That's so good. Mmm. I got the club. 12-inch. Onions, peppers, tomato, olives. Mmm. 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 Oh my gosh. It's Chenellos pizza sub. You gotta check them out. I don't know if it's a Eastern thing or a Virginia thing. I just know they're good. Mmm. Haven't had this in a long time. Mmm. I'm a slow eater. I chew my food thoroughly so my stomach doesn't hurt. Mmm. Good. Y'all girls want a bite?
Yeah.
I want to share my kids. They already ate dinner, y'all. We didn't get any meat. Mmm. Let me know if y'all want another bite.
I'm sure I can take that one back because I don't want to get a pepper on it.
Right here, get this piece then. It's got a lot of meat on it. Here you go. Mmm. I just had to let my 2 daughters taste it. It was so good. Anyone wants another bite?
Yeah.
It's so good.
Just put this one.
I'm running out of toppings, so it should be a good amount of meat. Move that jalapeno. Uh-oh. I'm trying to move the jalapeno. It's hot. Okay, good bite. No, you don't like a lot of bread. Moving this jalapeno out. Okay. I'll bite it. Dang. See what she did to my... It dropped. Pick it up, baby. Mmm. Mmm. I want to do more videos. It's a lady called Beloved. She has a YouTube channel. It's called Beloved's Life, and she inspired me. I've been watching her since July. It's 2018. July. And right now it's August. I watch her like every day. She makes me hungry when I see her. She did a mukbang on a sandwich, but it was JJ's, and it was a sandwich without bread. I don't really like bread, but I'm starving. Man, she does her seafood boils, which I'm gonna do. Because I cook all the time. So why not vlog about it? Follow me on YouTube. It's Callie Bremo. And then I also have a Lady Bremo page. But I'll put the description below. And you can just follow me. I think I'm gonna vlog every day. I want to vlog food I cook, the restaurants I go out to, the fast food I order, and get delivered to the house. Yep. My butt is greedy. I eat. But sometimes I lose my appetite. When I'm cooking, I won't make my plate right away. I'm not really hungry. Sometimes I won't make it till later. I love to eat late at night. Let me see.
It doesn't have a symbol on it. No, I found it on the counter.
I wrote an A right there. That's your water bottle.
Oh.
The barcode. Mine is in the back. And he has his.
Oh, never mind.
My kids always asking a million and one questions. They were ignoring me. I have an 8-year-old and 9-year-old, and they have cell phones. So they act like teenage girls. I told them, this is your water. I put it right here. Let me write an A on it. Her name starts with A, and they're going to share the big water bottle. And she comes in like 20 minutes later. I'm like, Mom, where's our water bottle? Is this ours? You're ignoring me. I know how rude manners. I talk and eat. Mukbang. Tasty moments is what it's all about. Who wants another bite?
I do.
Moving the jalapenos.
Okay.
Get a little piece off your hand. I know you don't like onion. Remove that. Dang. Okay. Oh, I almost bit my finger off. Thank God I moved it. I felt it. Look at that. Well, some of the top. Hold on, let me fix that. There's a little holy in the middle. You know what I'm saying? All these toppings fell out. See that? Oh my gosh. You know what? You better pepper?
No, banana pepper is sour.
You don't like the banana pepper?
I do.
Come here.
I thought banana pepper.
My 8-year-old, my 9-year-old. Okay, rest is mine.
Where's the water?
They're gonna sleep good tonight. They had dinner. My oldest had tamales, chicken tamales, big bowl of them. I made her. On the youngest, I had made earlier. I made some a big pot of beans and pig feet and turkey neck bones. They didn't have neck bones, so I did the turkey ones. Is that jalapeno? Oh, good. That's what she had. Eating. So good. Onions are so good. It makes the flavor pop. Pop. I have a little piece from the other sandwich. That's crazy because it has all that meat in there and cheese. Just fell out. Bell pepper. And a little bit of olive. A little bit of lettuce. Put that bad boy on there. A little baby sub. A little bit of heat. That's so good. So good. So, I don't want to talk y'all to death, but I was daydreaming. I knew I was still recording, but I was daydreaming. And it's something crazy. I was wondering, why don't people make food when, like an art in Virginia? It's like, it's really like crazy to go to culinary. Is what, you're gonna be a culinary person, a cook in Golden Corral? What? There's really no growth. None. It's like on my Facebook, everyone I went to school is selling plates out their house with their EBT. I don't know them personally, but they'll put it on Facebook. And I'm just like, man, these people are literally cooking. And they're turning into a business. It's like amazing how people hustle. It's just like culinary is really not in Virginia. It's like, probably like somewhere P.F. Chang Cheesecake Factory. But oh my gosh. You could be a cook where I was in ADP in the cafeteria, but he was just a man off the street that got the job. So, This isn't even jalapeno. Get the onion out the way. Oh, jalapeno right there. Ah, let me just take it out. Oh my gosh. Look at a big chunk. She tearing up my stuff. Had that big old fold of food. Big old bowl. She's picky sometimes. And she doesn't finish all her food. She's like me. I'm not really picky, but I like a certain type of food. It has to be exotic. It has to be from another country. Or I'll take the standard, like, Mexican food here, local, but it has to be like a Plaza Azteca, you know, like Taco Bell is, but it's Mexican-American. And it's not really Mexican food. It's not. I wouldn't even do that to Mexican people, no. They don't have the Mexican spinoff. Right. They can't even keep Cortina tacos on their menu. The corn shell, soft, corn, tortilla, and like the pork or steak in it. They had it before, and it goes away. That should stay there. Talk about menu, man. Yeah. What?
I was looking for my charger.
You didn't find it?
Anywhere. But it's right here.
Oh.
My phone died.
Oh, darn. Yes. I'll get ready for bed and brush your teeth.
Okay.
I'll be in there, tuck you in. I fed my baby. I know some people are like, why are you giving them your food? I'm just late. It's late. At least they ain't missing meals. You know what I'm saying? I don't overfeed them, but this sandwich was so good. And I got a foot long. And I, like I said, I messed with my food. I'm able to finish this because I had help. So. It's so good. Takes me like 20 minutes to eat a sandwich. Pitiful me. And but it's good to take your time when you eat. I'm the slowest eater. So slow. Anybody else would have been finished this. Oh yeah, feel free to post your comments. I love taking my time eating stuff, by the way. I'm a messy eater. I not once wipe my hands off. I have mayo and stuff. That crusty bread is starting to get more moist because of the juice. Like, I don't know if I ordered wrong, but my sandwich is so weird. One of the sandwiches came with mushrooms. And when I drove up, I hadn't been there like 15 minutes. I went to Wawa. And before that, I lollygagged after I placed the order online. Man. I went up in there with my daughter. She picked up the sandwiches. Came to the register. It was like $19.10. And I was like, how does she know those were my sandwiches? As soon as I opened up the door, she started grabbing the sandwiches and rocking to the front. And it was just me and her. It was no other people. No other workers, no other customers. I guess because what was on the sandwich. Black folks did that. Because you know how we exaggerate a little bit. Some of us.